Francis, can you sit in your blue chair? Can you sit in that chair?
Yeah.
Sit in the other chair, in that one. Go to the other chair, Francis. The other one?
What does a horse say? What does a rooster say? Oh, what about a chicken? Chicken. What about a puppy? A dog? What about a lion? What about an elephant? Oh, that's so good. What does a goat say? A goat. Good job. What does a cow say? Cow. Where's the cow? Good job. What does a cricket say? Chirp, chirp, chirp. What does a kangaroo say? What is it? Where's the kangaroo?
What are you reading?
Yeah.
Kangaroo.
Do you know where the kangaroo is?
Yeah, where does it say?
Push it.
Oh, that's a puppy.
How about a fish?
What's a bird say? No, that's a fish. What's a bird say? Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah, there's like 3 birds on there, huh? What does a cat say? Where's the cat?
A kitty.
Look at the top.
Kitty. Meow. Meow.
What's a frog say? Ribbit.
Push it.
That's a bee. Bzzz. Oh.
No.
Oh.
Sit with you.
What's an owl say? An owl. Where's the owl? No, that's not an owl. Owl. You know what an owl is. Woo, woo. Woo, 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 woo.